Start a project in Premiere Pro in 3 minutes. New project, write the name. Make sure the location is where you want it. So if you're on a public computer, you need to put it to your hard drive. Create. Make sure the workspace is set to editing. Go to settings, general. You need to double check a few things. Auto saves, I like it every 5 minutes. Maximum project versions 20, and make sure you know where the auto saves are if you're on a public computer on your hard drive. Media cache, again, make sure it's all going to your hard drive if you're on a public computer. Same. Then there's 2 more things I like to check. Timeline, an audio transition default duration of 2 frames. It really helps later on. Then trim, allow selection tool to choose roll and ripple trims without modifier key. Hit OK. Then go to your project panel and we're going to make a bunch of bins. Right click, 01 footage, 02 sequences, 03 music, 04 audio and VO voiceover, 05 titles, 06 leader, 07 outputs. Open the footage bin, right click, new bin, 1 in view, right click, new bin, 2 B-roll, open the in view bin, right click, import, find your footage. In this case we're doing the donut shop. We're going to go to the interviews, select all of it, and import it in, and it'll be in the right bin. Then go to the B-roll and do the same, right-click, import. Find the B-roll footage, select it all, and bring it in. Double check that you have all the footage and you didn't miss one. Next, you're going to open up that in-view bin, highlight it all, right-click. You're going to do a new sequence from clip. This will have one sequence that has all of that footage on it. We're going to rename that sequence. 1 in view. Make sure you spell it correctly. I obviously didn't. Then put it in your sequences bin. Do the same with B-roll. Highlight them all, right click, new sequence from clip, rename it to B-roll. You're going to make a new bin in the footage bin, 0, all footage. You're going to put those 2 sequences in that bin. So now we have these 2 sequences. I'm going to duplicate one of them. I'm going to rename it Editor's Cut EC version 1. I'm going to open up that sequence and I'm going to highlight all the footage, right click, and delete it. Then I'm going to put it in the sequence bin. I'm going to make a new bin, right click, new bin, 1 EC Editor's Cut, and I'm going to put that sequence in there. That's a blank sequence right now and it's my working sequence. So right now we have the interview footage, we have the B-roll footage, and we have a blank sequence, and you are ready to cut.